Before you did.
So all the ladies like me who loves
You're not old.
who loves bling bling, or how do you call that, like earrings. So if ever do you have like this fancy earrings and it was turns rusty, but this should be like a very for fun. This is for fun. Actually, like I love to have like this kind of earrings. Yeah. Now, of course, they are not a real gold or something, so it become rusty or dark. Then I really think that I have to throw it away. But right now, I have an idea. I would like to share this idea to both of you. You can make your earrings like new, something new, just like I have here. You know, see it? What I'm wearing? See the one I'm wearing? Like that. So now we have a string. This is like 180 centimeter long, something like that. Okay, and then you'll say, what the hell you wanna do with that thing? Okay, so ladies, pay attention. The only thing you need is scissors. Where is my damn scissors? Where's my scissors, man? Oh, sorry guys. So here. Okay. So this one, you can divide it into two. So like this. Okay. So let's get started. So you make that in here. So you start from here. You start from this line. Okay. Actually, I used to glue first, so it will stick on the string. But now it's okay. Also, you can do it without glue. But if you really want to make it like stable, put a glue on it. So just like that. Start from here, like that. Yes, like that. One more time. So like this. Put it around there. Yeah, like that. Hey!
Yeah.
Show them what I'm doing, because they should concentrate on this one. So like that, you start from here and then wrap it up like this. See?
Repeat it, Lisa.
Yeah. See, like
Slowly,
that.
slowly.
Wait.
So they can
One,
understand it.
tip, tip, tip.
After.
Down. And only that side, not that side. Only this side. Everything will be on the right side, like this. 1, 2, point there. 1, 2, 3, out.
Again, 1, 2, 3.
Pull it up a bit tighter, and then 1, 2, pull it up, tighten up. See the line? Keep it like this. So like that. Are you seeing my video, man? So if you watch my old videos, my first video of these earrings, it's more details rather than here, because now it's somewhere outside. I think it's too dark, and there should be a lot of background. Okay, just like that. So like this. Okay, girls, like that. So you can continue, something like that.
Okay.